What is Cardano, and why you should own at least 1,750 Cardano tokens? This video will provide answers to these questions. But before we get into the video, if you want to learn more about stocks, crypto, decentralized finance, and the science behind it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and enable all notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into the video, shall we? What is Cardano? The green coin to buy. To understand why ADA coin is outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum at the current moment, we first need to understand the science behind cryptocurrencies. The process by which new bitcoins are entered into circulation is called Bitcoin mining. It is a competition to solve a cryptographic hashing function that any node in the distributed Bitcoin network can participate in. Once a solution is found and verified via a proof of consensus algorithm, a new block is added to the Bitcoin ledger, which propagates to the entire network. Solving these hashing functions requires a lot of computer power. The higher the compute power, the more electricity required. That's true for most all cryptos. The difference between Cardano and Bitcoin, Ethereum is the proof of consensus algorithm type each crypto uses. Bitcoin and Ethereum both use broadly inefficient proof of work algorithms, which are basically competitive winner-take-all processes. In essence, you have dozens upon dozens of miners all competing to solve a single hashing function. The miner who solves it first is rewarded. The rest get nothing. Of course, this winner-take-all approach means that, in effect, the compute power of all losing parties is wasted in proof-of-work algorithms. On the other hand, Cardano employs a unique proof-of-stake algorithm. Proof-of-stake turns the competitive game of proof-of-work methods into a collaborative game, wherein a person can mine or validate block transactions based on their stake, or how many coins they hold. Each person does this, independently, so that there are no losing parties and no energy or electricity wasted in the validation process. Proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies are far more computationally efficient and environmentally friendly than proof-of-work cryptocurrencies. This is why ADA coin, as a proof-of-stake altcoin, has outperformed both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the wake of Elon's cryptos are bad for the environment comments. 3 factors that drive the ADA price. Factor 1. Adoption. As the adoption of Cardano increases, so will its value. Cardano is a relatively new cryptocurrency, and although it has a huge community base, it still has a long way to go. The aim of Cardano is to become a DApp platform and a digital currency that would provide financial inclusion to unbanked people. Cardano, on its launch, garnered huge support and the community continues to grow exponentially. Factor 2. Competing coins. Bitcoin, the first-generation cryptocurrency, is still the market leader. It is the king of cryptocurrencies, rightfully so. For any new or old coin, establishing itself in the market means heavy competition with the king. And there aren't many coins that will be able to compete with Bitcoin successfully. However, Bitcoin generally has a tendency to pull coins upwards, so a positive correlation exists between Bitcoin and Cardano. So, if all seems well for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market in general, then positive things can be expected from Cardano. Other coins that have similar structures and features to Cardano include Neo, Block, Lisk, etc. These coins pose a threat to its prices, and rise in the value of these coins would result in the devaluation of Cardano. Although Cardano has come a long way from Bitcoin, the original coin, the market is dynamic, and it is constantly updated. If Cardano does not keep up with the time, it will not be able to meet new competitors. Factor 3. Market forces. Market forces of supply and demand determine the optimal price level of any commodity. Scarcity is the determining factor over here. The scarcer a good or commodity is, the higher it will be valued. As cryptocurrencies have a restricted supply, demand-side factors are more detrimental to the price determination than the supply side. In the market, when demand and supply meet, that is where optimal price levels are established. Demand can exert upward or downward pressure on prices. What is the future of Cardano, ADA? Future projections for Cardano, ADA, seem to lie on 2 extremes. Whereas some analysts predict the price to be on a downward spiral, other predictions suggest a price of $5 in about 5 years' time. Whether Cardano price is going to rise or fall is a $1 million question. The price of Cardano is highly dependent on the overall performance of the cryptocurrency market. Predictions at the beginning of 2020 were optimistic, and it was expected that the value of Cardano would rise up to $2. However, as the year has come almost to an end, the price of Cardano came nowhere near close to its predicted price. Modest predictions for the year 2020 indicated stability around the 40-cent mark, which Cardano was successfully able to achieve. This stability indicates future upward trends. Cardano has garnered massive community support in a short period of time. Cardano consolidates engineers, blockchain experts, and researchers, all under one roof, so we can see some genuine turn of events and tremendous potential in future. On the off chance that all works out positively, Cardano could be on the way to become the best blockchain after Bitcoin. Price predictions of Cardano, ADA. Cardano has been one of the top 10 performing cryptocurrencies and has a market capitalization of $4.84 billion. Cardano, ADA, because of its ranking, has been on the radar of investors since its inception. The unique features of Cardano have put it under the spotlight. One of the things Cardano is known for is its trusted and credible team. The solutions Cardano offered to the shortcomings of Bitcoin and Ethereum was what attracted investors. Cardano has recently had upward spikes and achieved a high of around $0.172. Cardano was quickly launched by many top-ranked cryptocurrency exchanges immediately after its inception and achieved a good following. At the time of launching, Cardano was priced at $0.021. ADA achieved its all-time high at the beginning of 2018 when it climbed to a staggering $1.22. The market capitalization also grew at an exceptional rate, and starting from $0.56 million it went up to $31 billion by 2018. Experts predict that Cardano could be on a surge from the beginning of the new year. Predictions indicate a bright future for Cardano, with some as hopeful as achieving the $2 mark in 2023. By 2025, Cardano might be hovering close to the $3 mark and even cross it if all goes well. Many bullish indicators exist in the market that signals towards an optimistic long-term investment scenario. According to experts, prices are expected to double in the next year. How much will 1,750 ADA be worth in 2025? If you stack up thousands of Cardano tokens right now at the current price of $1.25 in 2025, it is possible that they would be worth over $10,000. That's if the altcoin reaches about $10 per token, thereby increasing at around 885%. We have arrived at this figure having considered the predictions and analysis of crypto analysts in the past few weeks. There is massive merit to this estimate also because Cardano has a promising pathway to explode as a major altcoin blockchain. 4 years from now, they would have rolled out impactful protocol upgrades. This is to say that we expect Cardano roadmap projects to have a huge impact on ADA's future price action. And we just can't look past the elephant in the room. Bitcoin Cardano has a positive price correlation with Bitcoin. Therefore, a bullish crypto market will be expected to play a crucial role in pushing ADA value up. Cardano has one of the highest market caps at the number 5 spot on the log. And looking at the amount of trade completed in a day on most exchanges, there is no doubt that this altcoin is popular with crypto lovers. Despite periodical declines, Cardano's history shows steady development of its value. No wonder many partners have put their weight behind the long-term growth potential of the coin. All these and industry dynamics show that this cryptocurrency is a strong investment choice for its investors, even though the crypto market is volatile and difficult to forecast. Bottom line on ADA coin. Proof-of-stake cryptos, like Cardano, are much more environmentally friendly than proof-of-work cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And that could be a big difference as the broader cryptocurrency market starts to bifurcate over the next few months, and separate between winners and losers. But ADA coin is far from the only proof-of-stake crypto worth investing in today. In fact, it may be the least exciting and least explosive proof-of-stake altcoin on my buy radar right now. Are you holding Cardano tokens? Comment down below, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and subscribe to my channel if you want to continue to learn about decentralized finance and crypto. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.